Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your TV is no longer just a screen. It isn't just for Netflix. It isn't just for YouTube. Suddenly, that black box under your television has become the most powerful computer in your living room. For the last few years, the Apple TV has been quiet. It has been reliable, sure, but it hasn't been exciting. That is about to change. The leaks for the 2025 Apple TV are flooding in, and they paint a picture of a device that is faster, smarter, and potentially much cheaper than anyone expected. If you're thinking about buying a streaming device today, you need to stop. Put your wallet away, because what is coming next might just redefine your entire home entertainment setup. To understand why this update is so important, we have to look at where we are right now. The current Apple TV 4K came out in 2022. In the tech world, 3 years is a lifetime. While your iPhone gets faster every year, your TV box has stayed the same. But Apple has been working on something in the background. They aren't changing the way it looks. The rumors say it will keep that classic matte black design we all know. It disappears into your media console, which is exactly what you want. But inside that simple box, Apple is planning a complete revolution. The first major upgrade is all about speed and connection. We have all been there. You're watching a 4K movie, the climax is approaching, and suddenly, the wheel spins. Buffering. It kills the mood instantly. The new Apple TV aims to fix this forever with a brand new component called the N1 chip. This isn't just a regular Wi-Fi chip. It is Apple's custom-designed architecture that brings Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 to your living room. Why does Wi-Fi 7 matter? It allows your device to use multiple frequency bands at the same time. Think of it like a highway. Old Wi-Fi is a single lane. If there's traffic, you stop. Wi-Fi 7 opens up 3 or 4 lanes simultaneously. It means your 4K HDR streams load instantly. It means your games don't lag. It theoretically offers speeds up to 4 times faster than the current standard. And with Bluetooth 6, your game controllers and AirPods will connect faster and stay connected with almost zero delay. It is the kind of invisible upgrade that makes everything feel magical. But a fast connection is useless without a powerful brain. And this is where the leaks get truly wild. The current Apple TV uses the A15 Bionic chip. It is good, but it is aging. The 2025 model is rumored to jump straight to the A17 Pro. Let that sink in for a second. The A17 Pro is the chip that powers the iPhone 15 Pro. It is a 3-nanometer beast with hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This changes the Apple TV from a streaming box into a legitimate gaming console. We are talking about console-quality lighting, shadows, and reflections. Games that used to require a PlayStation or Xbox could run natively on this tiny box. If Apple leverages this power correctly, the Apple TV could become the ultimate casual gaming machine for families. No loud fans, no massive discs, just high-performance gaming quietly sitting under your TV. This power also unlocks the next frontier, artificial intelligence. We know Apple is betting big on Apple Intelligence. With the A17 Pro chip, the Apple TV finally has the muscle to run these features. Imagine a version of Siri that actually understands you. You could speak naturally. You could say, "Find me that sci-fi movie with the guy from the show I watched last week," and it would know exactly what you mean. It creates a personalized experience that learns what you like, predicts what you want to watch, and makes navigating thousands of apps effortless. There is another rumor floating around that sounds like science fiction, but it might actually happen. A built-in camera. Apple has been testing this. Right now, if you want to FaceTime on your TV, you have to awkwardly prop up your iPhone. A built-in camera solves that instantly. It turns your living room into a communication hub, but it goes beyond video calls. A camera could enable gesture controls. Imagine pausing your movie just by raising your hand or swiping through menus in the air like you are in a futuristic movie. It creates a touchless interface that feels premium and futuristic. The software is getting a glow-up too. tvOS 26 is expected to bring a new liquid glass design language. It adds depth, motion, and transparency to the interface. It looks modern. It feels fluid. Profiles will be smarter, automatically loading your specific watch lists and music the moment the system wakes up. It integrates deeper with your ecosystem, allowing your iPhone to act as a karaoke microphone or a seamless keyboard. It makes the Apple TV feel less like an accessory and more like the heart of your digital home. But the most shocking rumor of all isn't about technology. It is about the price. For years, the Apple TV has been the expensive option. It usually sits around $129 or $149. Competitors like Roku and Amazon sell sticks for $30. Apple knows this is a barrier. The leaks suggest that Apple is targeting a sub-$100 price point for the next model. Imagine getting all this power, the A17 Pro, Wi-Fi 7, the gaming potential for $99. It would destroy the competition. It would make the Apple TV an impulse buy rather than a luxury purchase. So, here is the bottom line. The 2025 Apple TV is shaping up to be the biggest upgrade in the product's history. It is fixing the connectivity with Wi-Fi 7. It is revolutionizing the performance with the A17 Pro. It is integrating real AI into your living room. And it might do all of this while being cheaper than ever before. If you're happy with your current setup, that is great. But if you want the best possible experience, if you want a device that can handle the future of gaming and streaming, you need to wait. The end of 2025 is coming fast, and this little black box is going to be worth every penny. Honestly, the move to the A17 Pro chip is the game changer here. The Apple TV has always been overpowered for streaming, but underpowered for serious gaming. This chip bridges that gap perfectly. If Apple can actually deliver this performance at a $99 price point, they will absolutely dominate the living room market. It turns the device from a nice-to-have into a must-have for every household. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of Apple, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with your friends who are still struggling with slow smart TVs, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The future is loading, and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.